Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to my channel. We've got our continuation here on our diamond painting with the Hogwarts Crest, trying to figure out what is going to be our best method to complete this as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Last episode you saw that we hadn't kitted up beforehand, which was a huge hindrance to our progress on getting this done. I went through and did the little bits that were left, finished kitting up everything, organized everything, and looks like I did about 4 hours and 22 minutes worth of work total. I also forgot to add on that hour and 41 minutes that we had before, because we had this little section down here that we had also started in on. I don't really count that. I was really looking at the 4 hours to complete this, or the 2 hours to complete this. Totally wrong on the time there. Took us 4 hours and 22 minutes total with a little bit of off-camera work that I did. So now the goal today is going to be, how long is it going to take to get this strip done? I'm not even going to put a guesstimate on it. I'm really not. So what I want you to do though is put in the comment section down below, how long do you think this strip is going to take us? I'm curious to know what you think. All of my stuff is over here and organized. It's early in the morning. I'm fresh. I'm ready to go. So let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and reset the timer here too, because, well, we're going to need to do so. Alright, so I'm about an hour in now this time, and not doing too bad. There's a lot of blocking that's going on with this, especially with over here, and now with the black that I'm working on. It's definitely a lot of black that's going to be in this whole section. What I'm going to be curious to see is, so we're going to do this whole strip like I had said, and then I think on the next one, I want to go square by square to kind of see what is the difference going to be between doing a big block at once, doing square by square, and then maybe we do 2 squares. I know a lot of it's going to be contingent too on how much color blocking do we have in here. This is probably going to go a little bit faster because of the large black areas that we have, but the next area might go a little bit slower because of the intricate details that we have with some of these drills. I'm not going to do my guess yet. We're going to see what the next hour brings us, so let's see. All right, I gotta admit, that went really fast. That hour went really fast. And I think we've done a really good job at what we've completed. You know, all of this black has been taken care of. We've got a good chunk of this done. I'm gonna keep pressing on. We're gonna go into hour 3 and kind of see what's gonna be left at the end of hour 3. Okay, I've taken a bit of a break, and I gotta admit, after looking over this, I'm actually really enjoying this one now. I wasn't too sure about it at first when I first got it, and I'm really getting into this one, and I'm really enjoying the color palette that is along with this. I'm very surprised, actually. But I will say that the time frame, it's a little bit more than what I anticipated. I figured with a section that had a larger color blocking would go a little bit faster, but it's not. However, I think the good thing about this, though, is that it's really giving me a good gauge as to how long each block or each section is going to take me to be able to get this completed, and to be able to get this completed in a decent amount of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this out, and then let's see how much time is going to be left. How much time have you thought? Have you already put your comment down below? How much longer do you think we've got here on this painting? Let me know. Well, that's perfect timing. My phone just said it was full, and we actually just finished up. So I am very happy. I'm very pleased with the progress that we have made on this. I've got some cleaning up to do for sure. But yeah, this is great. It looks like about 4 hours for an entire strip, which means I've got about 4, 8. The top part probably won't take as long, so anywhere from 10 to 11 hours left maybe on this, and we'll just kind of have to wait and see how that goes. But yeah, Getting up ahead of time really does help. It cuts some time off. It made things a lot easier. Yeah, I missed some kind of here and there, but overall, I'm really liking this. Let me know in the comments below. Did you think this was going to take as long as it did, or did you think it was going to be faster? I was thinking we were going to be right around 4 hours, and yeah, that's about right where we're at. It's right around 4 hours, a little over. That's all we've got today. If you're enjoying the series so far, we'll probably have one more video after this to finish this up, and then we'll be done with this, and then we'll move on to something a little bit more interesting. I think you guys are going to like what's in store next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload videos. Until next time, everyone, light a candle, grab a coffee, and let's keep crafting.